Is up, all of you awesome and amazing people on YouTube? The Old Coot here, coming at you with another exciting video. This is just a little tiny piece of a day in the life of the Old Coot. And what I wanted to talk about in this one was water, right? Water logistics of getting water at the gym, right? Because sometimes you go to the gym and sometimes they have those machines that filter the water, and it just makes me wonder, like, how many people have filtered water through there and how old the filter is and how often the gym actually changes it. You know, who knows? So I just bring my own water from home. This is the water drop. This is just the plain water filter, right? And what I usually do is I make my post-workout shake mix ahead of time and I put it into one of these containers or whatever. So that way when I get to the gym, I've got my water usually in these 28 or 32 ounce like mixer jug thingamajiggies or whatever. Sometimes I'll bring two of them, right? So I have one to drink during my workout, and then I'll have another one post-workout that I can then throw my mix into and then have a post-workout shake. Or sometimes I'll drink that shake while I'm stretching. But anyways, can't say enough good things about the water drop water filter. This is the regular one, just the one that filters out the water. I think it's good for about 200 gallons, works pretty well, pretty fast and efficient. As long as you change the filter every 200 gallons, you know, regularly or whatever. The alkaline ones, in case you're curious, I have no experience with. I don't know anything about them. I do know that the machines, like the Kangen machines, where you go to a store or you buy the machine itself and it splits the water into alkaline and then acidic or whatever. Those machines I do not like. I do not recommend them. In my specific case, they caused massive amount of blurry vision, inflammation. There's a whole list. You'll have to go back in my video playlist to see why I don't like the alkaline water machines. But in terms of like pH balanced water that you buy at the grocery store, like in the bottles that sits on the shelf for months and months, or this particular water drop that has the alkaline filter, this one doesn't, but if you have one of those that has the alkaline filter, I have no experience with this, so I can't comment on it. But anyways, just a day in the life, gym logistics, how to get water and a post-workout shake at the gym is I pre-mixed all my supplements that I'm going to take post-workout, put them into a little container. I usually filter out, 28 to 32 ounces of water to put into one of those. Sometimes I'll bring two of these and I'll drink one during my workout, right? Just regular water. And then post-workout, I have the other one ready to go on standby that I can throw my post-workout mix into and then have my post-workout shake, if that makes any sense. Sometimes they don't make any sense. That's why this video is intended for entertainment purposes only. But with that being said, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down there below. Make sure to check out the description section for a link to some of the stuff that you see here. And also, if you have any comments, put them in the comment section. You never know when your comment could turn into a future video, so make sure to comment. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next exciting video.